Music voice control robot. Co-modeling design of technology. Innovative smart body sensor. A light touch triggers the robot. Play the music with the sensor. Enjoy the fun of technology with fingertips. Different playing methods and different modes. Multi-person interaction mode provides the experience of playing music through intelligent sensor. Sensitive voice sensing system wake up the robot instantly and start intelligent demonstration mode. Dynamic sound and light effect provides enough fun. Wake up your sensor robot now. Music voice control robot.
Because of fast-paced life and high-pressure work, some of us have suffered from cervical and lumbar spondylosis, which often cause pain in the cervical and lumbar spine. The question is, how can we relieve the pain without the risk? The answer is TENS therapy. TENS therapy is an over-the-counter pain relief solution with no side effects, addictions, or health complications. Bellafood TENS is equipped with 24 pre-programmed massage modes designed for pain relief and body relaxation. There are 20 levels of intensity, so you can select the modes and intensity that you need for pain management and rehabilitation. It's specially effective for joint pain, sciatica, muscle spasms, and pain in the back, neck, and shoulders. By placing the pads exactly at the site of the pain, you get fast relief without having to digest potentially harmful or addictive prescription medicines. If you have any type of pain, such as arm pain or back pain, it can provide you with immediate relief. It is just like a natural process as it is done by your own body. It helps with reducing the pain by stimulating the nerve ends. Bellafood Electric Muscle Stimulator is a device which uses electric impulses to contract the muscles of the body, which help your muscles to become stronger. When an electric signal is sent by the brain to the muscles, they contract naturally. And EMS does the same. It sends electric pulses to the motor nerves to contract the muscles. At Bellafood, we are passionate about creating products that enrich your health and celebrate your life. Our goal is to deliver products that help others live better. Bellafood strives to constantly improve our products and customer service. We value quality in order to best serve our customers and enrich their lives.